the photovoltaic farm in Latvia, one of the largest investments with a total capacity of 73 megawatts. BAKS was responsible for delivering the complete structure system W-V3G2BI-15 degrees. The project site was exceptionally demanding. Peat soil, a significant pile-driving depth, and the requirement to use steel with a Magnellus ZM620 coating for the production of the structure legs. Additionally, the panels were mounted on specially designed screw adapters, providing full support along the lower edge. Thanks to these adapters, torque control of all structural bolts can be carried out directly from ground level, without the use of lifts and without stepping on the photovoltaic panels. The investor required a stable, durable structure with a 3-panel vertical layout optimized based on wind tunnel testing. BAKS developed a dedicated mounting system, performed comprehensive static and strength calculations, and supplied all structural components: driven supports, purlins, rafters, bracings, torsion elements, inverter mounts, cable trays, and protective cable covers. In total, we completed 125 deliveries of construction materials, completing all shipments within just 3 months. All of this was made possible thanks to our client's high level of professionalism, the full commitment of the BAKS team at every stage of the design and execution process, and the impeccable cooperation maintained throughout the entire project. BAKS, comprehensive solutions for the largest photovoltaic investments in Europe.